Welcome everyone to the workshop Introduction to Avesta at Innovative Insight Academy. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all participants and our esteemed lecturer Pushkar Ikbote. We are excited to start this journey into the world of Avesta and Zoroastrianism, guided by expertise of Pushkar Ikbote together. Let's explore the depth of ancient text and gain valuable insights into its significance and relevance. Thank you for joining us today. Let's make this workshop an enriching and enlightening experience for everyone involved. Warm regards, Gaurang Devdar, Innovative Insight Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome. So we are going to start with our workshop Introduction to Avesta today. So uh, uh, Gaurang is going to handle the slides. So we are let's begin. Next slide. So basically, Avesta is a core Zoroastrian text. So we need to understand that Avesta is not the only Zoroastrian text. So sometimes people misunderstand that it is the only Zoroastrian text. It is not. So there is Avesta, there is Vendidad, Khorde Avesta, but usually Avesta, Vendidad, and Khorde Avesta are considered uh, the old or classic texts, and then there are later Sasanian texts like there is Bundahishan or even the tradition of Avesta. There are texts like Dinkar and the religious text, but we are going to see the most ancient text of Zoroastrians. It is called Avesta. So basically, Avesta is written in a language called Avestan. So the name came from the language. Language is named after the text Avesta. So what is written in Avesta is Avestan. Just like the Vedas are written in Vedic language. So from Veda we created an adjective Vedic. So this Avestan language, it has a close resemblance with Rigvedic language. For example, if uh, anybody of you have seen or many of you have seen the post of this course, so there was a small video. We will share it in the group again. So there is a mantra, a very important mantra. It is Ashem Vahu Vahishtam Asti, Ushta Asti Ushta Ahmai, Yat Ashai Vahishta Ashem. So the mantra is, it can be translated into Vedic language. Ritam Vasu Vasishtham Asti Oshitru Asmai, Yat Ritai Vasishthai Ritam. So Ashem Vahu is Ritam Vasu, Vahishtam Asti is Vasishtham Asti, Ushta Asti is Oshitru Asti, Ushta Ahmai is Oshitru Asmai, Ahmai is Asmai. So similarly, there is such a similarity. Yat Ashai, Yat Ritai, Vahishtai Ashem, Vasishthai Rutam. So Asha and Ruta basically are interconnected. The original Indo-European word is Rito. So we are going to see that. So now dating uh, Avesta is very uh, difficult. Basically, dating the text is difficult because we don't have some evidences or evidence of some places or locations are not there in Avesta. Overall, the society, Avestan society is pastoral society. So similar to Rigveda. So in Rigveda, we have some pastoral nomadic society. Similarly, in Avesta, we have pastoral nomadic society. Uh, so it talks about cattle, it talks about cow, fashioner of cow, Geush Tashan, Geush Urvan. So Geush is cow, similar to go in Vedic context. But it is generally considered that the period is between 1500 BCE to 500 BCE. Now this is basically the understanding from the language because of its close resemblance to Rigvedic text. We can say that it was in between uh, 1500 BC to 500 BC. Usually, the period is considered 1300 BCE. So now, Avesta has the formulas, actually mantras. So mantras are in English, they are translated as formulas. So in Avesta, remember it is called mantras, not mantras, but mantras. So these mantras, or the single is called mantra. So mantra, it is mantra. So these mantras are used in Zoroastrian rituals. Next. So from where we got this word Avesta? Very important to see. So basically, Avesta is the word which came from Pahlavi script, which is Avestak. And then Kellen's Bartholomew is basically a researcher, a well-known researcher. So he find its origin. It is from Upastavaka. So that is U and A becomes Wa. So Upastavaka. That means praise. It is from the verb, Avestan verb, Upastu. It comes in Yasna 10. And we are going to see what is this Yasna soon. What is mean by Yasna. So from old Iranian, there is another, Zunderman is also very well-known thinker in Avestan studies. So he says it is from old Iranian, Apishtak. Apishtak. So Apishtak means admonition. So it is from verb apista. So this is the origin of the word, from where this word got originated, and that's why from word we got the name of the language, that is Avestan. Next, please.